Good morning guys, this is Alisha. Welcome back to my channel and I woke up to this puffy face. दुनिया कितनी छोटी दिख रही है. So today's video is going to be a relaxing and chill video since I'm going to relax the entire day. I'm going to pamper myself and we should do that at least once in a week, and today I'm going to do everything other than serious work and studies. Basically आज ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं मेरे पास करने को. So it's already 6:30 and मैं fresh हो चुकी हूँ and now I'll start my day with a hot bath of water. I basically do that every day. Either I add a tablespoon of honey or I squeeze half a lemon. That works really well in fat loss and I think I have so much of it, that is why. And now I need to start my morning workout, but before that I'll read newspaper. I spend around 20-30 minutes in reading newspaper, and I don't do that because I'm a media student. I just love doing that. That is kind of a daily kind of ritual sort of. And मेरे घर ये दो newspaper आते हैं, The Hindu and Dainik Bhaskar, and I read The Hindu basically for vocabulary and Dainik Bhaskar for चटपटी मसालेदार खबरें, and that is how it is. And now I'm heading towards my terrace and I'll spend around 40 to 45 minutes on workout. Oh god, I was about to fall. I think vlogging is a tough job. Let's go. I think I need a 4-5 minute break and it's really tiring. उसमें से बहुत ज़्यादा धूप है, पता नहीं कहाँ से इतनी सुबह सुबह धूप आ गई. And workout for me is not just important for making me tone, but it's also kind of a therapy for my mental sanity. That is why I've included it in my relaxing day, else I would have taken a day off from workout. Oh my god, it's so hot. I think I'm done with workout and now I'm already getting chai cravings. और ये होता है मेरे साथ, I think हर chai person के साथ होता है, and I'm a big tea person. And these days I'm making an immunity booster sort of a tea, and I'll try to show how I exactly make it. So yeah, let's go. And now I'll pluck 4 to 5 tulsi leaves and I'll add it in my immunity booster tea. बहुत ज़्यादा tasty है. So this is a secret ingredient that I'm going to add in my tea. Here's some ginger and I've crushed it, and ये tulsi leaves, and ये I think it's kali mirch, and I'll add it into the boiling water and then we'll add the milk. तो चाय तो बनने वाला है एंड आई रियली डोंट फॉलो अ सर्टेन रूल कि हाँ चाय पत्ती के बाद चीनी डालना है या उसके बाद कुछ और डालना है, क्योंकि एंड रिजल्ट तो सेम आएगा. दैट इज व्हाट आई थिंक बेसिकली. लेट्स गो. Oh my god, this is so tasty, and I usually do these छोटे things to make my parents happy. और अभी pandemic है, we all are going through a very hard time right now. तो ये छोटी चीज़ें करके आप अपने parents को बहुत ज़्यादा खुश कर सकते हो, सरप्राइज कर सकते हो. And also I'm thinking to watch a movie today, or maybe I'll re-watch a movie today, क्योंकि मेरे साथ यही होता है. And हमेशा मैं देखी हुई मूवी दोबारा देखती रहती हूँ. तो आज I'll relax and I'll watch a movie. And the last movie that I watched was Dil Bechara, and it was something very very close to my heart. It was just a masterpiece. And अगर आपने अभी भी नहीं देखा है तो प्लीज़ जाके देखो. It's free on Disney Plus Hotstar, तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. And I think आपने already देख लिया होगा, लेकिन नहीं देखा है तो प्लीज़ देख लो. I think my mom is preparing breakfast for me. She is making chilas, veg chilas.
चीला और सिजवान चटनी।
चलो अच्छा है। So I have my breakfast ready right in front of me and I was feeling so starved. And since I woke up to a no to-do list sort of day and I was having nothing to do in my head, so I was feeling so relaxed. And additionally, there was no any online classes today, so वो और भी ज़्यादा अच्छा था. And I don't know why, but I don't feel that I'm fit for online classes. I'm that old school person. Thumbs up if you're like me. And sometimes I feel how we'll adapt to this new normal, but we have to. Chai done, breakfast done, newspaper done and workout done. Now I think I need to take shower, but before that I'll apply body Upton, and the body Upton that I use is this Patanjali body Upton. It smells so good. It smells like camphor, and sometimes I even use besan yogurt paste. That works equally well. And one thing I want to mention that whenever you use Patanjali body Upton, it kind of gives a burning sensation. लेकिन results बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. And अगर आप use करते हो burning sensation देता है, तो please don't think कि कोई reaction हो रहा है. It's completely normal. and ये बहुत effective है tan removal में. Now let me apply it. So I applied this body Upton thoroughly. कमाल की खुशबू है and I'll wait for 10 to 15 minutes जब तक ये सूख ना जाए. Until then I'll check all of my social media handle and also I'll play some game on my mobile phone. ये almost dry हो चुका है and it's 11 already. Now I'll take shower and we'll see you then. I'm feeling so fresh. Now let me fix this because I have to apply a peel off mask. And the peel off mask that I'm going to use today is this from Saint Botanica. It is Robusta coffee peel off mask. This particular peel off mask is rich with coffee, caffeine and cocoa butter. And Saint Botanica is the partner for our today's video and they were kind enough to send in their products. And also one thing that I want to mention that their products are free from parabens, silicone, mineral oil, sulfate and also free from animal testing. And I think a peel off was really important for my skin since I was constantly shooting and makeup pros and I was not taking care of my skin in the process. So this relaxing day kind of helped me in pampering my skin as well. So yeah, let's go. So I've applied it evenly and I'll wait for 10 to 15 minutes to let it dry, and you have to apply it on properly cleansed face, cleanse and dry at the same time. And I think this product you should try at least once. I'll mention the link to this product in the description box. And I think it properly dry ho gaya. Now let me remove it and I'll show the results right here, right now. Okay, wow, see how changed my skin looks exactly, and I'm loving it. This completely absorbed all the excess oil from my face and dirt as well, and I'm feeling so radiant at the same time. And coffee in general increases the radiance and firmness of the skin, and sometimes I even make a coffee and honey face pack that also works really good. I can smell something really good. My mom has cooked Afghani chicken for the lunch, and I think she's so supportive in my relaxing day. So I have my lunch ready right here, and I don't think I can get any better than this for my lunch: Afghani chicken and rotis. I am a huge non-veg lover, and after eating this, after finishing this, I'll watch a movie, and खाते खाते तो I'll decide कि कौन सी movie देखनी है and figure it out. Comment down आपने कौन सी movie देखी है last, and now I'll close the camera and I'll quickly finish it, and then I'll see you. मूवी देखने के बाद आई टुक अ पावर नैप, और वो पावर नैप कुछ ज़्यादा ही हो गया. मैंने सोचा था छोटू सा नैप लूँगी, मैक्सिमम हाफ एन आवर का, बट 1.5 आवर के बाद उठी और अभी भी बहुत स्लीपी दिख रही हूँ. एंड मौसम इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा है, आई थॉट वाई नॉट लेट्स डू अ फोटो शूट. एंड आई हैव माई गियर्स रेडी राइट हियर एंड आई हैव माई शूज़ रेडी राइट हियर, लेकिन मैं चप्पल पहन के ऊपर आई हूँ. So we have clicked so many pictures, some from my mobile phone, some from the camera, and I'll show you guys once I'll edit it. So I've edited some of the pictures that we clicked today at the terrace on my mobile phone and it turned out really well. I'll post them on my Instagram handle really soon. And इतने जल्दी से मैं तैयार हुई थी कि बेस मेकअप तो कुछ भी नहीं किया था, just a moisturizer, red lipstick and mascara and that's it. And I think it's because of Saint Botanica peel off that my skin was glowing that time. And yes, also the movie that I was watching was Tumbad, and I've watched that movie 2 times पहले से भी. And there are some movies like Masan, Tumbad, Parasite, Son Chiriya, Dev D, and these are some classic movies that every time you'll watch, you'll get to learn something different. That is why I watch them over and over again. And now I'll take a quick walk sort of in the balcony or on the terrace, and while doing that I'll carry my phone and my headphone along with that as I listen to some music to feel good. And this kind of is my fixed daily habit, and if you have seen my night routine then you all must be knowing that. So I had my dinner already. I washed my face, my hands and my neck, and this I mostly do this every day if I'm unable to take shower at night. And इससे बहुत ज़्यादा पीसफुल नींद होता है. लेकिन ठीक है, मैं टिप्स तो दे रही हूँ, बट आई एम दैट नाइट आउल जो 2 बजे से पहले कभी नहीं सोती है, नो मैटर व्हाट. So I'm about to go to sleep, but before that I am going to apply a night trim, and the night trim that I'm going to apply here is from Saint Botanica. This night trim is rich in vitamin E, vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, and other than that it has some pure oils like extra virgin olive oil and shea butter, natural extract like aloe vera gel, green tea. So I think the ingredients are on the point, and I've been using it from 1 week now, and this is just amazing. It kind of removes the blemishes, spots and rejuvenates the skin from within. And one thing that I want to mention here is the packaging. Oh my god, this tub is so beautiful. This is real cute. Just a bit of it is enough to cover your face and the neck. So yeah, that was it for my relaxing and pampering day, and this is exactly how I celebrate myself. And a huge shout out to Saint Botanica for being our partner for today's video. I'll mention the link to the products in the description box. You can check it out from there. So if you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down how you pamper yourself and follow me on Instagram, and please subscribe to this channel. I love you guys. Bye bye. Good night.